procedure. We shall start from the first procedure to the last procedure. Okay, let me switch now to the PC. Let's switch to our PC so we can start. We can start to see now. And this is one of the sample PC I have used. This is Core i5. It's on the matter of installation of Archicad. It does not require you to have to require that, or at least the Core i5 7th generation at least. So the first thing you have to get into contact with, the first thing that you are supposed to be in contact with is the window defenders. Before you install any, maybe if it's a flash or anything that you're going to use, in your installation of your PC, you have to make sure before you install it to your PC, before you install this to your PC, you have to make sure before you install the source that has the setup, you have to make sure you deal with the window defender. That's the first thing. Before you install the source that has the setup, you have to make sure you deal with the window defender. So for instance, for our PC here, we are going to come to our search here. So we are going to search for window security. For my case, I already done this, so it is already on the recent, the window security. It's already on the recent. So you are going to enter here on the window security. After on the window security now, here on the window security, you are going to, on the window security, after opening the window security, you will come to this area here. Now after here, it means the window securities are on. So we're going to enter on the window security. After entering into the window security, we go to the manage setting. After opening the manage setting, you can see now all these window security for the viruses are open. So what you're going to do, we are going to switch off the first window security. We are going to switch off. It will ask us to allow it to switch off. Then we shall switch off the window security. After switching off the window security, then this is the first procedure. You have to make sure before installing the Archicad24, the first thing is to switch off your window security. But after there, you might have other window defenders apart from the window security from your PC. Some people install the other window defenders. Somebody has told me to repeat. I'm sorry. Yes, you have. That's why I was waiting for a lot of time so as people to get notified. I'm going to repeat for the last time. I'm sorry. Sorry for those who are already in my. I'm repeating for the last time. Now, before installing the source that has the window, the setup of Archicad, you have to switch off the window defenders that defend your window. So the first thing, you go to the window security. You will search here. So you get here the window security. You double click for the window security. After getting the window security, it will come on this section here. We shall deal with virus and certain protection. It is on, so you double click on the After you have double click, then you see here, this is the window security is on. You can see the window security is on. So you need to manage the setting of the window security. After that, you will turn off the window security. So it will ask you to verify if you are going to turn off your window security. Then you will turn off your window security. After turning off the window security, then the next step, you also turn off the other window defenders in your PC. Just turn off the other window defenders in your PC. You go then to the so you can see here we already have this is the other window defender. With some people, a lot of people forget to turn off this window defender here. You just come here, you left click, it will show you need to disable protection until you restart the PC. So here you disable the protection. After you have disabled the protection, now you have to install your source, the source that is going to have the Archicad. Remember, the first thing we have to switch off all the window defenders. I've shown how to switch off the window defenders, window security, and other window defenders that are in your PC. So second thing, you install the source that has your Archicad. Install the source that has your Archicad. The input device. Put the input device. After putting the input device in our computer, then we shall check for the input device that is set into your PC. You can come here, so you can see here in this PC. We're gonna see on this PC. So we are going to enter into, because already all the window defenders are off. So we shall enter to the source. This is local disk D. This is the source, but the input is the Archicad setup. Go, but make sure the first thing and most important thing is the window defenders. The window defenders should be off. The window defenders. So you shall see here. Go to Archicad24. This is where the setup is. After clicking to this, you just now check to the setup. But also, what is very important is that you already switch off the window defender. So you just go direct to the Archicad. You just open, because you already switch off the window defenders and also the window securities. So after there, you'll open after installation. I already explained this behind. I don't think I'll repeat again. Maybe if we be on a question later, you shall see. You open. You try to open now the application of the setup. You try to open the application. See, now it will open. It will open because you already switch off the window defenders. Will open direct. After opening up, I will give another lesson now on how to use the Archicad24. This is Archicad2024. Now, after opening here, we go to new, because we need to have the new project. Unless we are having a device already, but because this is a new installed, so we are going to open. I'm sorry. We are going to open for the new something's wrong here. It will require you to crack it, but for Archicad2024, there's no need of cracking the Archicad. So you just cancel and say you need a new project. It will start opening. So as to open the Archicad2024. Those who want to draw buildings, those who learn how to use Archicad. Some people are saying PCs failed to use Archicad2024. It will start now to open Archicad2024. While opening, the Archicad will start opening. Now remember, the first step was to switch off all the window defenders in the PC and also to the window security. Now somebody is asking me, why are you insisting on switching off the window defenders? Why are you switching? Okay, now it's already opened. It's opened. Yes, you expect such things in Archicad2024. Now it's already opened. So here we will say cancel, because you don't need. Now here our Archicad2024 is already opened in our PC. Archicad2024 is already opened. Archicad2024 is already open in our PC. Now, remember, somebody is asking me, why do you insist on switching off the window defenders and the window security? Yes, it is very important. It is very important to switch off the window defender and the window security, because while installing the setup of Archicad24, the setup may have some virus while in construction. So due to that virus, your window defender will not allow the Archicad to enter into your PC. Will not allow, but they are not too effective. So in order for you to open it for the first time while installing it, you need to have the window defenders and the window security shut down. So after a year, you have the Archicad in your PC, and here everything is already clear. You see, you can now use it in your PC. This PC is Core i5 7th generation, so it means for any PC that can acquire Core i5 7th generation, can acquire Archicad2024. Remember, the more you use the updated Archicad, the stronger your PC should be. So after that, I think the most important thing that I insist today, the most important thing, before entering the input into your computer device that will have the source of the Archicad, maybe it's a flash, make sure you switch off the window security. I insist on this because a lot of people get challenges because they put the Archicad in their PCs with the window security on. So that makes them the Archicad not successful into their PCs, not successful into a PC. So I say this because I am trying to help you next time. Before you want to install the Archicad, the first procedure was on the installation of Archicad. Then the next period on Archicad 2024, I'm going to elaborate on step procedures, live elaboration on how to use the window, how to use Archicad 2024. How to use it, it's very simple. Just there's a very small difference with other Archicads, Archicad 2021, 22. The difference is very small. But here we are going to see on how we are going to use the Archicad, on the tools of Archicad 2024, and on how to use it. So today's live was dealing with the installation of the Archicad. It's somehow very simple if you have the procedures, but it becomes hard if you don't switch off the window securities. And today I just insist on window securities because today this is a very preliminary stage, an important stage on Archicad and installation of this Archicad setup. So this happens, you can see now on my computer, the window securities, because the window security are off, then that makes it easier for installation of Archicad, So dear fan, if you didn't listen to me, the most common thing was the switching off of the window security. Window security, how do we switch off the window security? I explained. Somebody is asking me how we switched off the window security. The window security was switched off. You see, I'm going to repeat again on how to switch off the window security. Somebody has asked on how to switch off the window security. This is already installed now. It was before installation. Before you put the device with your Archicad, before you install the device with Archicad, you have to make sure that the window security of your computer are off. Not only the window security, but also all the window defenders in your computer are off. So you can see our window here, our PC. On our PC, I'm repeating the procedures now on how to switch off the window security. Just come to your PC here. You you can search for the window security. For my side, it's already here, but if you don't have, you just search the window. If you like the window security, you come here. It will come after you open the window security. After opening the window security, it will be on. It will be on. But for the case, I already switch off because now I was installing the Archicad 2024 on this PC. I was doing the installation of Archicad 2024. So after that, after switching off your window security, you just go to check if other window defenders are on. So you can come here to our icon bar to show the hidden bars. This is one among the window defender in this PC. It's not common to all PCs, but in this PC there was, so you just left click. After you have left click, it will show you here. I already disabled this because for the when we are starting, I'm just making the vision for those who did not attend the first when I was explaining on the particular section. So you can see I disabled this. After disabling that, now is when you can install your source that has your Archicad. So this was my source. So after I install this, I already switch off my window security, then I install this. So I think from that, if anyone has a question, you can ask me a question. If you want me to repeat something, you can ask me, because I see some new members come here. There are some new members already here. So that is Archicad 2024. Archicad 2024. Yes, just elaboration on procedures on how to install the Archicad 2024 setup. The Archicad, somebody is saying that he cannot see clearly. Yes, this is how to install the Archicad 2024 setup. I think you can see how it is simple. Then after that, after installing, you can test. We can see if our Archicad is clearly. You can see, you can try to elaborate here. See the setup, maybe if something like this. Yes, something like this. And after here we can save to see if the setup is already functioning, the cracked. Then on the next step, I will teach you on how to crack the Archicad, because if you don't crack your Archicad, that means you just use it for learning purpose, But because of the window defender here, we are going to use our Archicad for production. We can draw now buildings here. We are going to go procedure by procedure on how to construct and how to learn the Archicad 2024. We are going to get a little by a little. Today, this was the installation. How can you install? Because this installation of Archicad is somehow now the employment to other people, but also some people fail to install Archicad into their television, into their PCs, thinking that this is maybe their PCs are long, but no. The Archicad 2024 just needs you to follow all the procedures. If you fail to follow one procedure while installing the Archicad, then this will let you down, and will make the failure of installation of your Archicad. So I hope, I repeat again, Archicad, the first thing before you put the source with your Archicad setup, you just need to switch off all the window defenders into your PC. You have to switch off all the window defenders into your PC. After switching off the window defenders into your PC, there are window securities that come with your PC, but also there are other securities, window defenders that can be installed in order to overcome the virus. Now, if you want to successfully install your Archicad 2024, then what is required? What is required is the procedures, the installation procedures. You just switch off the window defender first. Then after switching off the window defender, then you put your Archicad into the light press. Then after that, you just enjoy. I think you have enjoyed a little bit. I hope I'm understood. If I'm not really, I hope I'm understood with this. I hope I'm understood. So I'll just summarize for the coming people. I'll just summarize. This is special for learning. It's just a free live, just giving you the concept of learning. So I'm going to summarize. So on the procedures, I'm summarizing on the procedures. Now I'm summarizing the procedures. I'm summarizing the procedures. Somebody is asking here, so why do you insist on the window security? Yes, I already said the window security is very important to be switched off because it overcomes the setup. So if you don't switch off the window security, it will be elaborated by the window securities. Well, we switch off the window security for the betterness, successfulness of installation of Archicad 2024. So in Archicad 2024, the first procedure, you have to search for the window securities. The first procedure, you have to search for the window security. The first thing, your laptop, you search for the window security. If for recent, we always check for the window security there here. But if it's your first time, now you have to search for the window security to come. Window security. When you go to the window security, you will have to, it will be on. So you'll have to switch off the window security here. But also, after there, we'll go for your other window defenders. Search here to the hidden bar. Here is one of the window defender. You left click, you disable this window defender. I think that is clear. I'll just summarize this for Swahili. Okay. So while you are installing Archicad 2024, you have to be very careful on the window securities. Some people forget to switch off the window security. So when they install after installation of the input with the Archicad setup, it is destroyed by the window securities. So what to do? The first thing, before installing the input with the Archicad setup, you have to install the window security. You have to turn off your window securities, not only the window securities, but also the other window defenders. Watu wengi wanashindwa kuinstall Archicad kwenye PC zao kwa sababu ya window securities, Wanapoingia kwenye PC zao, wanaacha PC zikiwa haijazimwa window security. Sasa kinachotokea, akiweka ile input kwa mfano flash kwenye PC yake, ile setup inaliwa. Kwa hiyo akijaribu kuinstall inakataa. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu zile setup zinavyotengenezwa kule zinakuwa nyingine zina some sort of virus ambazo sio hatari kihivyo kwa PC yako. Kwa hiyo ile Windows Defender haijui kwamba hivi setup hivi virus ni hatari au sio hatari. Unachokifanya kishahisi kuna some sort of virus itakula ile setup. Kwa unachokifanya unafunga Windows security. Ukishazima zile Windows security ndio unatafuta kama kuna Windows Defender nyingine yoyote ile, na ile Windows Defender unafanya kuizima. Ukishazima ndio unachomeka sasa source yako yenye ile Archicad. Kwa mfano kama ni flash, unachomeka flash yako. Ukishachomeka flash yako ndio unaanza kuinstall ile, una extract. Kisha extract itakuwa kamili kabisa, itaingia kwenye PC yako. Cha kuzingatia ni kwamba lazima kabla hujaingiza setup ya Archicad kwenye PC, kabla hujaingiza source na PC, lazima ujue kwamba Windows Defender zinabidi ziwe zimefungwa. Kwa hiyo una search Windows Security, una search pia Windows Defender. Baada ya hapo unazima. Ukishazima installation yako itakuwa very clear. Nikirudi kipindi kijacho tutaona site, lakini kipindi kijacho nitafundisha ile hatua za mwanzo za kuitumia Archicad 24. Imekuwa na tofauti kidogo na hizi Archicad nyingine. Kwa hiyo nikirudi kipindi kijacho nitaelezea namna ya kuitumia Archicad 24 na kuonesha tofauti kidogo na hizi nyingine. Nitaonesha utofauti wake na hizi nyingine. Asanteni sana kwa kuwa na mimi. Kama kuna swali labda naweza kusubiri sekundi kama 3 hivi kusubiri swali. Kama kuna swali sioni swali. Huyu anauliza kipindi kingine kitakuwa ni lini? Hapana. Nitatoa ratiba kipindi kingine kila siku nitakuwa naingia live. So unabidi unifollow, hakikisha umenifollow. Kaa na mimi. Stay tuned. Thank you.